So I'm in Tampa for a few business meetings. Just finished up, changed, got into my comfy gear, and going to meet somebody pretty cool. Many of you guys probably already know him, but on my way to go have a beer and some food. Ooh, there's my boy. There's that Viper looking clean as F.
Everybody, this is Steven Jeffers. This is his car. This is his baby. It's 98. What do you think that most people don't know about a 1998 Viper? What can you tell us about it? Because to be honest, I mean, I'm a Viper owner, but you know probably a lot more than I do about Vipers.
Well, I think the biggest thing that people don't know is how different. They think that the GTS is always the faster one, when actually the RT10 is actually lighter and actually truly is quicker.
Okay.
0 to 60 in a quarter mile is 12.1 versus 12.2. 0 to 60 and 3.9 versus 4.0.
Wow, 3.9 from a 98.
From a 98.
1998.
98.
That's insane.
Yep. So a lot of people don't realize that the RT10, has the exact same motor, forged motor, 8.0. V10. It's just a weight difference, but I do think the GTS looks a lot better. You can do so much more with it.
All right, so we just grubbed. We're gonna go on a little cruise now. Go check out the Viper, man. Dude, you can't go wrong in Tampa. This is gorgeous. Got live music going on. That's what's up.
Oh yeah, he's feeling peppy.
He's feeling peppy. He wants to rev, so we're gonna rev. So there's AC here, but what I did not know is this little guy down here. Air blowing right at my Franks and Beans. I really like these seats. This classic Viper seat. I think it's nice. Oh, shit. Wow. You video me, I video you.
Here's his new one, slow hands on.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And that's beautiful. That's why it's so much cooler in the cab, is because you don't have those side pipes.
Oh yeah. Was the AC too hot for you?
No, the AC was great.
AC was fine. I was comfortable. And more than that, the seats.
The seats are
The
good.
seats were freaking amazingly comfortable. And I didn't notice anything kind of till like, when we got in it, I was like, wow, I really like these seats. But on the drive home, I'm like, I feel comfortable. I feel like I could definitely take that on a long trip.
And that's the thing, is I think if Corvette would have had something similar to this, especially in the C5,
Yeah.
they didn't get that until the C7
Yeah.
of something so comfortable.
The C7 was comfortable. I loved that about the C7. It was usable. But you know what? This is better than a C7. I would buy this over a C7.
Yeah.
I really would. And I loved the C7. I can't,
C7's a beautiful car.
love the C7, but
Beautiful car.
how can you beat 500 horsepower?
500 horsepower for the price, right? They always talk about C7 being such a deal for the money, but this is a real deal for the money. And Steven, you keep your car so clean, man. Gorgeous.
You want me to show you the engine?
Yeah, man. There we go. That's that powder coated Italian made, right?
Yep. Lamborghini design.
That's right.
And it still beats a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah. Beats a newer Lamborghini, much newer than this.
The 2000, I think 2006.
06 Gallardo.
Yeah.
Man, thanks for coming out, dude. Right here.
Absolutely, man.
Come up to North Carolina anytime.
I
You got a
appreciate
place
it.
to stay.
I appreciate it. Same for you as always.
Steven Jeffers, guys, check his YouTube channel out. He's got great content. I'm assuming most y'all that are with me probably already know him because you're into Dodge Vipers, but he's got great content.
You definitely, if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe for him.
Hit
New
it up.
ACR, badass car.
All right, guys, peace. Okay, so I want to go outside and see if we can get any view because this hotel is nice. So let's go check it out. I'm gonna leave us on checking in at the hotel, calling it a night. It's been a long week. Lots of booze and lots of work. So before I go up and crash out, I'm literally gonna go chill out by the pool for like 10-15 minutes. Get my little zen going on. And then I got a long drive ahead of me. So other than that, take care, guys. Peace.